Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 26, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Column B, we have 5 and 9. 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is come from here. Then 9 is here. 7th grade. Only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 7. 10th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row and column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C and column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 4. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth grade, we have 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6, 9. Column E and column G, we have pair numbers 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 3 and 9 will come in. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H and column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 3rd row, we have 6. Column D also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column C, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 3rd row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. We have pair numbers. 4th row, we have 4 and 8. 5th grade also, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. 7th row also we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 2nd row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd row and 8th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. It is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 9th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Ninth row, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Column H and column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. 10th row we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Seventh row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column B we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column J we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 5th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 5th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.